Hi, I'm Nick from Tom's Country Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, and I'm here to introduce you to the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you want to blend in, you're looking at the wrong minivan. With a powerful crosshair grille and quad halogen headlamps, there's no mistaking that you're in charge. 17-inch alloy wheels and sleek power-heated side mirrors add style and utility. And sharp LED tail lamps give your followers something to strive for. Engineers have designed the Grand Caravan to be as comfortable as possible, with superior craftsmanship found in premium cloth interiors and soft-touch armrests and door panels. A class-exclusive heated steering wheel has integrated controls, giving you hands-on comfort and hands-free calling. With automatic temperature control and seating for 7, all passengers can ride in complete comfort. The exclusive Super Stow and Go seating and storage system allows the second and third row seats to fold flat in seconds, tripling your available cargo space to more than 143 cubic feet. Flex your strength with the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 Flex Fuel engine, offering best-in-class 283 horsepower. Fuel Economizer mode adjusts engine timing and transmission shift points to achieve an astonishing 25 miles per gallon highway. And if you need to tow, do it confidently with the best-in-class 3,600-pound towing capacity. The Grand Caravan boasts over 55 standard and available safety, security, and technology features, including 7 standard airbags, plus electronic stability control and all-speed traction control. The 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan keeps you in charge with reassuring safeguards, modern technology, and unmatched versatility. So come down and see us and check out the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan.
For the largest selection of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, and never overpay with the lowest prices.
Only at tomscountry.com.